Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is McDul. In case you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and join the fam. You're welcome. Thank you. And yeah guys, this is the start of a new vlog. I didn't even want to start this vlog, but I was like, why not? After all, I'm heading out, and you know the vlog always hits when there are activities. I enjoy editing vlogs that I'm going out, I'm doing stuff, but anytime I'm just at home and just bored, I find the vlogs very boring, honestly. So now that I'm going out, I thought to vlog. So yeah guys, I'm heading to the bank now, and it's drizzling, and I'm not using bolts today. I'm going to the bank close to me to just do some things, and I'm carrying an umbrella. I can't remember the last time I used an umbrella in my life. I don't think last rainy season I even used an umbrella, or the season before that. I'm not good with umbrella. I don't even know if this one works, how it works. Okay, because it's literally drizzling outside. Okay, that's fine. These are the things that make me feel like an adult. Imagine having an umbrella. Like, I'm not this, like, I feel umbrella is for mature people that have their lives together, people that think about structure, organization. Having an umbrella is like the bottom of my list. I think of other things, not things like umbrella. I think my supplier gifted me this umbrella. Yeah, because I know me, I will not go to the market to say I'm buying umbrella. So that's that, guys. I'm heading up now. So see ya. Bye. I'm back, and guess what, guys? My brother is around. Ima come now. He bought me something. Let me go and bring it. Oh my god. Who read Dr. Miles Monroe? What does he know about women? This is the gift of the day, gift of the visit. Understanding the purpose and power. Woman. A book for women and the men who love them. Aww. Okay, the book is written by Miles Monroe. Do you know Miles Monroe? I know Miles Monroe. Do you know I'm mistaking him for this guy that wrote Gifted Hands, Ben Carson. But I know I've heard this Miles Monroe. Which book has he written?
He has written on purpose now. Purpose.
Okay. Okay, yes, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true, I know. The name is so familiar. And yeah, guys, the bank was stressful, but successful at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm ready to be in business. In fact, I'm in business. Bring your deals. Anything. Apart from ritual. I go do and I go run them. But there are many other things that are wrong apart from rituals. But yeah, anything legal, yeah, legal, call me. I'm your plug. So I'll talk to you guys later. Right now I just want to rest and let me go and show you people my brother. What are you doing?
I'm washing, I'm wrapping up.
Okay. Am I what?
Limfani, that's
I didn't be that.
Yeah.
Limfani.
Limfani. Alabama. That man just make me happy. They make me proud on behalf of Africa.
I say they try.
Yeah. Yeah, man. He's working on a very massive project.
Guys, meet my brother. Imana, stop now. You don't know that you're supposed to be showing support to you.
Hello guys, hello guys.
I think my brother have more.
It's okay now, oh my god. I was like, no, I'm also. That's why you're standing out.
God, I'll catch you. You saw it coming. Okay, so my brother is leaving. Imana, tell them bye bye.
Bye bye.
You are being rude. Ouch, ma, this is heavy. Hey. You must stop. Okay. Can you see my fine brother? Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing? I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm so hungry. I'm sure it's afternoon now because I've just been busy working. I've been working in bed. It's a chilly morning and I said it. This is 12:08. I know my body. When I start to feel hungry, I know it's 11 a.m. or 12 thereabouts. So it's 12 now. And I usually don't crave tea. I don't even take tea. Not tea bag, I mean milk and Milo. That is what I want right now. Very thick one with maybe bread and egg. That's what I want. The weather, that's the vibe it's giving. Nostalgia, because I remember those days. That's what Mom would just prepare for us when it's raining. That's what I want right now, guys. Ooh, so I'm gonna go out to buy it and I'll be going with Milo. my brother left this morning. So yeah, my brother visited yesterday and he left this morning. Guys, anytime my brother is around, the noise we make in this house, because we are always talking. He left this morning. I didn't even bother to vlog all through yesterday while he was here. But yeah, best believe it was a good time. It's always a good time. Guys, let me go and get milk in this shop here. Let's go. In fact, we are going together. But first, I want to wear Willow's shirt. It's actually really chilly and she actually went to carry the shirt by this book. Signs and Wonders. Hey, Mama. Emily, you're so naughty. Why did you lie down now? Na secure, secure. Hey. Show them your clothes. Security. Do you want to wear your hood? Okay. Let's go. Mama, come. What? You don't want it? Should I remove it? Come. Oh, your ear, I get it. Yes, yeah. You like her? You know that that's bad. You know what they call it? End of discussion. If my husband, if you want another picking, you go get her for outside. No pressure. Wow. Hey guys, good morning. How do you like my cornrows? I did really good. I was doing it and then I realized that this is actually neat and I thought to just record it. Guys, today is content day. I want to batch create. I want to do a skincare content. I want to do makeup content. Yeah, and maybe one reel like that. All of these are reels though, it's not for YouTube. I'm just trying to batch create. I'm trying to just make like 3 contents today, and then plus this cornrow. It looks like I've made 4 contents, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm about. So I just woke up and I decided to do my cornrows. I'm going to have my bath now and do the next ones. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog for YouTube while doing all of these things, but I'm gonna try, you know. Yeah, because it's been days since I picked up this camera, so it's time to do something. I hope I would have the strength to create content for both YouTube and Instagram, but I'm just filming today, do no editing, so I think it will work. Fingers crossed. Guys, I'm watching To Kill a Monkey. I can't believe that I've just been passing this movie on Netflix all these days till it started getting the hype. A lot of people are talking about it on social media, and I'm like, okay, let me see what this is about. This happens to me a lot, especially with Nigerian movies. I don't really love to watch Nigerian movies unless I start hearing people saying good things about it, because most of the time they disappoint me. Poor acting pisses me off. But this movie, or I don't know if it's a series, I'm seeing episode 2. This To Kill a Monkey, the acting is so real. I can't believe in episode 1 I cried twice. That hardly happens to me with Nigerian movies. Like, I cried twice. It's so real. Like, the acting is top notch. The story so far is good. Like, you know how I get so stuck on a series and I just want to keep binge watching till I finish. That's how I feel about this movie, and it's actually weird. It's weird, and I'm happy, Sha. I'm happy that Nollywood are doing so great. This film was written, directed by Kemi Adetiba. She's really good. She's really good. I love it. A1 for this movie. I'm just in episode 2 right now, guys, and I can't wait to finish it, but I have things to do, so pause. Let me go have my bath. Talk to you guys later. Okay, I just had my bath. I've done my body lotion and stuff. I've not done my face. It's even dry now, but I just want to do this quickly before I do this, because what I'll be wearing will be showing my armpits. So let's clean up. I'll be using this sugar wax that I've had for a long time. I'm here because I want to be watching this movie while I do what I do, so I won't be talking. This is what I intend to wear while I do the skincare and makeup video, so you understand why I needed my armpits to be clear. And yeah, does this headband work, or I should use a black one? I feel this headband makes my head bigger. I don't know. This is a black headband. I have one more. Let me try it real quick. And this is the other one. For some reason I prefer this one. At least there's a contrast between the wig and the band, and this complements my skin too. I think I'll be using this, or should I use the black? Good. I think I'll use this. So guys, talk to you guys later. I'm sure I'll be back when I have makeup on my face. And the installation, this side dry, but this side is lifting. But I'm going to remove this thing today. Just want to enjoy it. Maybe I'll have strength later to do some TikTok videos and you know. But for now, alright guys, my